Hi guys, so till now we have seen how to bold the text and the difference between bold text and strong tag, I'm sorry. So now we will see how to underline a word or a sentence. So for example, I have used this particular text, basic rules of football, as bold. Now I'm going to underline this one. As I just said in my previous tutorial, that if you want to underline a text, you must use the opening tag and the closing tag before the other one ends. So for example, I'm just opening the tag U, so U stands for underline. So if I do this, I must close it here. All right, so if I just do Control B, you can see that the text is underlined now. It is not necessary like a bold tag and a U tag that you always have to use the underline tag before after the bold tag. You can do it vice versa as well. So for example, I will do it here, but I must close it in between the bold tag and the P tag. So let's just check. So it's the same. So there is not much difference between this. If you always have to do like this, you can do either way as well. All right guys, so I hope you liked it. So keep practicing and enjoy learning.